nagsalita na sina Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at Vice Presidente Sara Duterte kaugnay ng umano'y planong pagpapa-impeach sa Vice.
Sabi ng Pangulo, ayaw niyang ma-impeach si Vice President Duterte.
Ang Vice naman, kumpiyansang tiwala pa rin sa kanya si Pangulong Marcos. Nakatutok si Marie Zumali.
Hanggang kay Pangulong Marcos, umabot na ang ugong ng impeachment sa Kamara laban umano kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ngayon pa lang, malinaw na ang sabi ng Pangulo.
Binabantayan namin ng mabuti because we don't want her to be impeached. We don't want her to, she does not deserve to be impeached. So we will make sure that this is something that we will pay very close attention to.
Pero mabilis ding sabi ng Pangulo,
I don't think it's particularly unusual. I don't think it's particularly worrisome. You know, there will always be an element that will want to change the results of an election. I guess it's just a continuing evolution of that thinking. Na basta ayaw namin dyan, tanggalin natin, impeach natin. Wala naman siguro at wala naman sigurong dahilan kung hindi lang ayaw sa amin. That's not a reason to be impeached.
May ideya naman daw ang Pangulo kung sino ang nagpapasimuno ng ugong na impeachment.
They are also the same people that, wala na, nagbaklas-baklas na yung unit team. Hindi totoo yun. Tignan na lang ninyo mga political developments in the past few months. We are consolidating the unit team. It's actually become bigger and stronger than it was before. So, ayan, wishful thinking.
Umugong ang usaping impeachment ng sabihin ni ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro sa isang panayam na may nag-uusap umano sa Kamara ng pagpapatalsik kay Vice President Duterte. Sa gitna ito ng mga batikos tungkol sa confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President na naging mitsa ng pagtawag ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa Kamara bilang pinakabulok na institusyon. Pero kinalaunan, sinabi ni Castro na premature pa raw ang usapin ng impeachment.
Premature pa rin po yan, at wala naman ding wala rin din namang citizen na magsasubmit ng impeachment complaint. Okay? At wala din naman siguro mga lang yan, mga tanungan lang yan kung meron na ba. So yung mga ganong informal na mga usapan ng mga kongresista, yun yung ilang mga narinig ko doon sa mga usapan. Pero nothing serious. Hindi naman siguro involved dito yung leadership dito sa impeachment na ito.
Ayon naman kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez,
I don't know your sources. There's nothing in the offing, nothing in the agenda, nothing filed. No news of that.
kumpiyansa naman si Vice President Duterte, tiwala pa rin sa kanya ang Pangulo.
I believe I still have the trust of President Marcos Jr. Why? Because before he left, I asked him about the impeachment and he told me the truth that he knows about that impeachment.
Kumusta na nga ba ang relasyon ng dalawang pinakamataas na lider sa isa't isa?
Excellent. We, on a professional level, I have nothing but good things to say about the work that she has done in the Department of Education. On a very personal level, we get along very well. We are very different in many ways, and we're very similar in many ways. But that makes for a good friendship.
Mula rito sa Honolulu sa Hawaii, para sa GMA Integrated News, Mariz Umali, nakatutok, 24 oras.
Mga kapuso, samahan nyo kaming tumutok 24 oras.